Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you a beautiful DIY using waste clothes to decorate your wall. So let's get started. First of all, take a waste fabric and cut a rectangular piece out of it. Then fold it into half. Then cut it at an angle of 45 degrees. You will get a shape like a denim pocket. Then flip the fabric and glue its edges using hot glue. Then take a newspaper pipe or a wooden skewer and cut it a little more than the length of your cloth. Then stick the top part of the cloth behind the newspaper roll using hot glue. Then paint the edges of the newspaper brown. Then using hot glue, stick a pom-pom in the bottom. And take a piece of wood and tie it on the newspaper roll at either end of the cloth. Then take another cloth of same shape and glue its edges using hot glue. Also attach newspaper pipe and wool over it. Then draw a leaf using a pencil or a marker. After drawing, paint the leaf green. Then take another piece of cloth and repeat the same steps and attach a pom-pom at the bottom. Then take another piece of cloth and follow the common steps. Then start removing the horizontal thread over the cloth. Then take cutouts of a fabric and stick them randomly over the cloth. If you enjoyed this video, do hit like button and subscribe my channel for more DIYs. Thanks for watching.